Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. Today I would be talking about the IPO which is going to open on Monday, February 26. HG Infra Engineering, and here are the top 10 things you should know before investing in this IPO, or if you just want to track it, just please keep these points in mind. So it's a new entrant in the primary market, and HG Infrastructure Engineering is trying to raise funds, and basically that's how IPOs are meant for. And you can actually read my overview on IPOs, or what are IPOs, how it is raised, video to get more information on IPO. So I thought of reviewing this as my first IPO review basically. So the company's IPO is set to open on February 26 and will close on February 28. And the company has said that it has garnered over 138 crore from another anchor investors ahead of its initial share sale. And the IPO committee has finalized the allocation of 51,33,150 equity shares to as many as 11 anchor investors at 270 rupees a piece. Also, the upper price band for the offer, the company informed the stock exchanges. At this price, the total amount works out to be approximately 138 crore. So among the anchor investors are SBI Infrastructure Fund, DSP BlackRock, India Tiger Fund, UTI Infrastructure Fund, and IDFC Infrastructure Fund. So these are the mutual fund investors who would be investing in this IPO. So the company profile, it's an infrastructure construction company focused on road projects, and its core business operations include providing EPC services on fixed turnkey basis, ICS Securities have said in their report. So about the issue price is in the range of 263 to 270 rupees per share. And the issue size, already mentioned. The objects of the issue: with this money raised, it plans to use it for purchasing capital equipment, repayment of debt, and general corporate purposes. Now, strengths, according to a report from HDFC Securities, factors such as established infra player with an efficient business model, along with strong project management and execution capabilities, are seen as some of the strengths. Additionally, visible growth through a growing order book and improved pre-qualification credentials are likely to tilt in the favor of this firm. So, the financial report, you can actually read it on this article. And the company has 6 directors on board: 2 executive directors, 1 non-executive director, and 3 independent directors, including 1 woman director. So the chairman of the board is Harindra Singh. He is the executive director, and you can read all about it here. And so risks and concerns, according to the red herring prospectus, here are the few listed risks mentioned by the company. Delays in the completion of construction of current and future products could lead to termination of EPC contracts, or cost overruns or claims for damages, which could have an adverse effect on the cash flows. There's an outstanding litigation involving the company, which, if determined adversely, may affect the business and operations and their reputation. And also the business is dependent on a few customers, and the loss of or a significant reduction in award of contracts by such customers could adversely affect the business. So basically, these are some of the risks, but that is usually involved in any company and any IPOs basically. So there's nothing called risk-free investments when it comes to stock markets and stocks in general. So these are my views on it. Whether you should invest or not, it's a big question. This is something new, this segment, for this segment. And I think you should wait a bit to before you start investing in one of these this IPO, particularly because of the lesser known company, and also some other factors which I cannot actually tell because it's completely a personal view on it. But I would do a wait and watch scenario, because some of the IPOs which were launched last year have not performed very well. It did start off on a good note, and then it significantly dropped, and there were a lot of profit bookings. So that's one area where I would be concerned about, and I think I would do a wait and watch approach before I invest in IPOs like these. So that's my view on this IPO, AG Infra Engineering, which will open on February 26. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments or feedback on my videos, please do put a comment on the comment section under the video section or any of my videos, and I'll be happy to create more quality content on my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you again on my next video.